Guys, luto tayo ng ginatang kalabasa with sitaw. So guys, ang aking coconut cream na gagamitin guys. Ayan. Guys, ayan. Pinapalambot ko muna yung ating pangsahog pork belly guys. Pagmantikain muna natin to. Then, igigisa natin yung bawang sibuyas. Then, lalagay yung mga gulay, guys. Yan. See you later, guys. Yan. Guys, may ganun tubig na ang ating nilambot na level. Belly. Pot belly, guys. Ayan. Sinigyan ko ng mantika and then, ayan, i-sautay natin yung bawang sibuyas, guys. Ayan. And luya. With ginger yan. Ginger. Onion. Garlic and ginger, guys. Nilagyan natin ng pampalasa, guys. Wait lang. Yes, wait. Wala tayong panghalo, guys. Lagyan natin ng pepper. Guys, pepper. This is pepper. Pepper and magic, guys. Where's the magic? Where's the magic? Where's the magic? There. Oh no. A little bit magic, guys. Oh no. Oh no. I don't have stand. Okay, lagyan na natin ang kalabasa. Oh, may kalabasa, guys. Kalabasa. Guys, ang una ko nilito dito is salmon. Hindi ko na i-vlog. Salmon with salmon head na pinamatisan, guys. And then, second is sinigang na liempo, guys. And then, dito, guys, pangatlo is ginataang kalabasa with sitaw, guys. Ayan ko lang nag-vlog, guys. And then, guys, lagyan na natin to. Lagyan na natin ang coconut cream. Coconut cream. Coconut cream. Dagdagan natin ng water. It's so creamy. Dagdagan natin ng water kasi ma-creamy ang coconut milk, guys. This is for our lunch, guys. For lunch time. For our lunch. Palambutin natin yung kalabasa, guys. Squash, guys. Palambutin natin yung squash and then ilagay natin ang long string sitaw, guys. Sitaw, yeah. And guys, see you later, guys. Palambutin lang natin tong squash, guys. Guys, ito na ating kalabasa. Malambot na siya. Or, malambot na ba siya? Hindi pa. Malambot na naman ata, guys. And then, lagay na natin yung sitaw, guys. Yan. Lagay natin ang sitaw. Sitaw. Guys. Sitaw. Haluin natin, guys, siya. Haluin natin. Dami na ito, guys. Isang linggo namin ulam to. Dami. Natin kaunting asin, salt. Okay. Wow, sarap. Yummy. Hindi na ako mag-canteen dito, guys. Mag-canteen ako dito sa Australia, guys. Lutong Pinoy. Yung gusto kong murder, guys. Lutong Pinoy. Yeah. Lutong Pinoy by Aileen. Guys, yan. Palambutin lang natin. Palambutin natin ang sitaw, guys. How are you, guys? Miss you all, guys. Guys, so, palambutin natin. Or tikman natin kung ang lasa na. Tikman natin kung ang lasa. So creamy. Creamy. More salt. Tignan natin, more salt. Iodized salt, guys. Creamy na siya. Wow, yummy, guys. So yummy. Guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye. Miss you all. It's done na, guys. Luto na to. Kunti na lang. Ayan, guys. For our lunch. And for our tomorrow. Pa namin ulam yan, guys. Dami. Madami kasi. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye.